Imagine waking up to find that Bitcoin's biggest holders secretly bought billions in BTC overnight. They didn't announce it on the news or tweet about it before they did it. They just moved huge amounts of Bitcoin behind the scenes, like silent giants swimming under the surface. These Bitcoin whales aren't sea monsters, they're big investors who hold enough BTC to move the whole market. The crypto trader world has learned to watch these whales very carefully, because when they make a move, they can create waves that push prices to record highs or cause sudden crashes. What's shocking people right now is that these whales are buying Bitcoin when the price is already near its all-time high. Normally, smart investors wait for dips. They want the best deal possible. They buy when people are fearful and the price is down. But whales are stacking up coins while the price is already climbing. That's not normal, and it's sending a clear signal. They expect something big to come next. Blockchain trackers show massive wallets moving thousands of Bitcoins, worth hundreds of millions of dollars at a time. When we see that happening, it means the biggest players believe that Bitcoin has more room to grow. They see potential others can't see yet. But who exactly are these whales? Let's break it down in simple words. Some whales are early Bitcoin adopters. They mined coins back when Bitcoin was worth pennies. Now, they sit on fortunes worth billions. Other whales are big institutions, hedge funds, crypto funds, or public companies that add Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Some whales are even governments or sovereign wealth funds exploring crypto as an alternative asset. And sometimes, exchanges themselves act like whales, holding giant reserves of Bitcoin to manage liquidity for millions of traders. No matter who they are, their moves matter. Because Bitcoin is limited in supply, only 21 million will ever exist. And the more whale buy and hold, the less Bitcoin is left for everyone else. That's why when whales are scooping up coins, the supply on exchanges goes down. Less supply plus strong demand often equals rising prices. But it's not just about supply and demand. Around the world, people are losing trust in fiat currencies. Inflation is eating away at savings. In some countries, like Argentina or Venezuela, people watch their money lose value every single day. And the whales know that this trend will only grow as more people look for alternatives to traditional banking. Another reason for the recent whale activity is the approval of Bitcoin ETFs in the US and other countries. This wave of institutional money adds new fuel to the Bitcoin fire. Whales want to position themselves before the floodgates fully open. Think about this. When a pension fund or a giant asset manager adds even 1% of its portfolio, Bitcoin, that's billions of dollars flowing into the crypto market. The whales see this future. They see Bitcoin becoming digital gold, a store of value that can't be inflated or manipulated like fiat currencies. But what does all this mean for regular investors like you and me? Should you copy what whales do? Well, following whales blindly can be dangerous. They have deep pockets. They can hold through big losses. Every big Bitcoin transaction is public on the blockchain. Tools like Whale Alert or Glassnode let anyone see when large wallets move coins to or from exchanges. If you see whales moving BTC from an exchange to cold storage, it usually means they plan to hold long-term. That's often bullish. That can signal price drops ahead. So staying informed can help you ride the wave rather than get wiped out by it. Bitcoin is famous for wild price swings. It can crash 20% in a day and bounce back higher a week later. Every Bitcoin halving reduces the reward for mining new coins, shrinking supply growth while demand keeps rising. Whales are betting on a bigger idea, that Bitcoin will be part of the backbone of the future financial system. Some governments are exploring CBDCs, central bank digital currencies. Others are regulating crypto more clearly, which might sound scary, but actually builds trust in the system. Tech giants, billionaires, and entire industries keep putting their money behind blockchain innovation. The entire ecosystem, from Bitcoin to DeFi to Web3, is growing faster than most people realize. When you step back, you see that Bitcoin whales don't just make big moves for quick profit. Whether you invest or not, understanding these big movements gives you an edge. So the next time you hear that whales are buying, ask yourself, what do they know that most people don't see? Are they preparing for more economic turmoil that pushes people towards Bitcoin? Whatever the answer, one thing is certain. The crypto ocean is deep, unpredictable, and full of hidden currents. But those who watch the tides, stay informed, and swim with a plan are the ones who survive and thrive. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video, where we dive even deeper into the crypto ocean together.